Hi everyone, I just want to make a quick video discussing any differences that you may see between dividing a whole number by a fraction like 4 divided by 2/3 and the other division expression 2/3 divided by 4. Let's first take a look at 4 divided by 2/3. In order to start a diagram, I always start drawing the first number I see. So for instance, 4 divided by 2/3, I see 4 first. So I wrote and I drew a diagram that represents 4. Now what we have to do is we have to break each of these units into thirds. I broke each of these units into thirds because we want to figure out groups of 2/3. So now we can see that we can make groups of 2/3. So I grouped 2/3 together. You can count each group and you can see that there are 6 groups of 2/3 and 4. In other words, 4 divided by 2/3 is equal to 6. You can also go about this problem by multiplying by the reciprocal. Multiplying by the reciprocal, you must flip the second fraction. Okay, it's always the second number, so we can do 4 over 1 times, now our original fraction was 2 over 3. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. Multiply the numerators together, we get 12. Multiply the denominators together, we get 2. You can simplify that down to 6. Let's take a look at the next division expression, 2/3 divided by 4. I first start writing the diagram by drawing 2/3. Here I drew a tape diagram that represents 2/3. 2 out of 3 of my boxes are shaded. By dividing by 4, I can cut this entire diagram into 4 equal pieces. Okay, the section, our quotient that we would want, is located right here. That is 2 out of the entire number of sections, which is 12. This can get reduced to 1/6. Continuing with the idea of multiplying by the reciprocal, we can work out this problem so it's 2/3 times the reciprocal of 4, which is 4 over 1, is 1/4. Again, continue to stress multiplying the reciprocal of the second number. Okay, so let's multiply the numerators together. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Again, your answer is 1/6. So 2/3 divided by 4 is 1/6.